Hello everyone. In this video, we will see about how to find square root of a number by using division method or long division method. Please watch this video till the end to understand the concept. So let's start.
Find square root of 1936. Okay. So we have to find the square root of this number. We will do it by division method. Now for starting the division method, first we should remember all the numbers of the perfect square. That is, square of 1 is 1, square of 2 is 4, square of 3 is 9, and so on. So this 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, all these are perfect square numbers. So we should remember till 10. First we will write this number and we will group this number in pairs of 2. Okay, two numbers we have to group from the right side, that is from the units place. Starting from the units place, we should group this number in pairs of two numbers we should group. Okay, 36 is one group and 19 is one group. So we will group this number. Okay. So whenever we are solving, we should solve that group together. Okay. Now the first number is 19. Okay. Now 19. Now see the perfect square numbers. Which number is less than 19? Here which number is less than 19? We have to find a number which is less than 19 and closest to 19. So which is that number? 16. 16 is less than 19 and it is also very close to 19. So 16 is square of which number? 4, right? So first we will subtract 16, 4, and the quotient is 4. 4 fours are, we have got 16. So we will subtract this. 19 minus 16 is 3, and now we will bring this both number, that is 36, we will bring it down. Okay, together we will bring both the numbers. Okay, so 36, and here what we will do, the 4 we have done, 4 we have got, no, that 4 one more time we will add. Okay, now 4 plus 4 is how much? 8. But we will not write here directly 8. We will leave some space and then we will write 8. We will leave here some space and then we will write 8. Okay. Now the next step is very important. See. So for finding next number, what we will do, see. Now here what is the number? 8, right? And see the first two digits. 33 is there, first two digit. Now from 8, how we can get 33? 8 fours are 32, right? So we can take 32. Okay, 8 fours are we can do. But we will not multiply 8 directly with 4. What we will do is, we will do 84 into 4. So whichever number you are taking here to multiply, that number will be there in the units place. The number in the units place and the number we are multiplying should be same. And that answer should be less than or equal to this number. Okay.
84 into 4, the answer we get is 336.
See, we got this same number. Okay. So we will subtract this. Minus 336. The answer will be 0. Here what we did, 84 into 4, right? So the next number is 4. Okay. Here 4 we have written. Okay. And we will, here what we will get, plus whatever number is there in the units place, that we will add. So 84 plus 4 will be how much? 88. Okay. So here we end. So this is our final answer, that is 44. So the square root of 1936 is how much? 44. Okay. Therefore, square root of 1936 equal to 44. Okay. Now if you have, now there is one trick which you can use to check whether this is the correct answer or not. So you can multiply and see 44 into 44 we will get this answer, right? 44 square will be this answer. This number na whatever we see, this number whatever we are getting, here we got 88, right? This number whatever we will get, that will be double of this number. Here what is the number, what is the quotient we got? 44. So whatever we will get here, that will be double of this. So the double of 44 is 88, right? So 88 we are getting. 44 is the square root of 1936. Okay, next question is find square root of 289. So first what we will do, we will group this number in pairs of two numbers. Okay, we will form a group of two numbers starting from the right side, that is from the units place. So this is one group and this is one group. Here only one number is there, so it is okay, we will solve this. Now see here 2. First 2 is there. Which perfect square number is less than 2? 1. 1 is less than 2, right? 1 ones are 1. Okay. So here 1 and here also 1 we will write. Minus 1. And the answer will be, remainder will be 1. And we will take both the number to the, we will take both the numbers down, that is 89. And here what we will get? We will add the same number. Plus 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. But we will leave some space here and then write 2. Okay. We will leave some space here. Now, which number will come here? Here and here. The same number, right? So, we will multiply. So, see here. See, here 2 is there and here 189 is there. See, here 2 is there and here the first 2 digit is how much? 18. So, from 2 we can get 18 if we multiply 2 nines are, okay? 2 nines are we can get 18. So, but we will not multiply directly. How we will do? See, 29 into 9. Whichever number we are multiplying, that same number should be there here in the units place, okay? So, 29 into 9 will be how much? So, this number we cannot take because here there is only 189 and this number is bigger. Okay, so we cannot take 9. So, we will see with 8. We will see with 8, okay? So, 28 into 8. See, whichever number we are multiplying, the same number will be there in the unit place, okay? So, this, here we got 224 which is bigger than this. So, we cannot take this number also. We will try with 7. Okay. So, we will try with 7. 27 into 7.
27 into 7, the answer is 189.
So, here we got this. 189 we got. So, how much we, so 7, okay. So, here we will get 7 and here also there will be 7 and minus 189, the answer will be 0, 0. So, and here we will add whatever number we have taken here, that we will add, okay, plus 7. Plus, so we will add the number in the units place which we have taken just now, that is 7. So, 27 plus 7 will be 34. Okay, so see, here the answer is 17. Square root of 289 is 17. See, here this number is double of this number. Double of 17 is how much? 34. See, we have got here 34. So, our answer, this answer is correct. That is square root of 289 is 17. Okay. Find square root of 10,816. So, we will do the same by division method. So, from the units place, we will form a group of two numbers, okay. So, this 2 will be one group, this will be one group and this 1 is one group, okay. Now, see 1. Perfect square is 1, 1 and here also we will get 1. So, minus 1. So, what will be the answer? 0. Okay. Here we will add 1. So, 1 plus 1 is 2. But we will leave here some space and then write 2. and here we will take the next two numbers down. We will take two to next pair of numbers. Okay. So 0, 8. See here there is 2 and here there is only 8. Now for finding the next number, see, if we take 1, suppose 21 into 1 is how much? 21, right? But here there is only 8. So 21 is bigger than 8, right? So what we will do? We will take 0. Next, what is less than 1? 0, right? 20 into 0 is 0, right? Which is less than 8. Okay. So what we will do? We will put here 0 and here also there will be 0. Okay. 20 into 0 is how much? We got 0. So how much? 0. So minus 0. So plus 0 will be how much? 20 only. But we will leave some space and then write 20. And here what will be the remainder? 8. And next we will take the next pair, that is 16. Okay. Now what will be the next number here? So for that, see, here the first digit number is how much? 2. And here it is 8. So from 2 we can get 8 by 4, right? So what we will do? So here we have 20. So 204 into 4. Okay, here 4 and we are multiplying it by 4, same number. See, 816 we have got. So what number we have taken? 4. So that number we will write it here, and here the answer was, so here 204 was there, minus 860. So what was our answer? And here what we will get? Here we will add 4 plus 4. 208. So what is the square root of 10,816? That is 104. So this is the square root. Square root of 10,816 is 104. Okay. Here we got double of 10. The double of 104 is how much? 208. We have got here, right? This is double of 104. Therefore square root of 10,816 is 104. This is the answer. Find square root of 1,05,625. See, it is a very big number, but it is very easy to solve by using division method. We will see. Now we will group this number in pairs of 2 from the units place. Which is the perfect square which is less than 10? 9, right? So 3 3s are 9, right? So 3 and here 3 and minus 9. So here the answer will be 1, and here we will add this 3 plus 3, but the answer will be 6, but we will leave some space here and then write 6. Okay, 6, and here we will take the next pair of number down. Okay, next pair is 56. So 156. See, 6 2s are 12 we get. Okay, so which is less than 15. So we will try with 2. Okay, 62 into 2. 4. 2 2s are 4. 6 2s are 12. 124 we are getting, which is less than this. We will see if we multiply with 3. So if we multiply with 2, we got 126, and if we multiply with 3, we got 189. Now here 189 is bigger than 156. So we cannot take this, we will take this. Okay. So 2, here 2 will be coming. So here there will be 2, and 62 into 2, right? Into 2. What is the answer we got? 124. So that we will subtract. Minus 124. 2. So 32 is the remainder, and we will take the next two numbers down. Now here what we will get? We will add this 2, okay, plus 2. So we will get 64, but we will leave some space and then write, okay, 64. Now next, which number we can take? Now next, which number we can take? So for that, see, here first number is 6. Here the first 2-digit number is how much? 32. From 6, how we can try to reach 32? That is 6 5s are 30 we can get, right? So we will try with 5, okay? So if we multiply 645 into 5, here we have taken 5, okay? So we got the answer here. So the answer will be 5. 645 into 5, right? Now here what we will do, we will add 5. Okay, so here the answer will be 650. So here the answer is 650. So the square root of this number is how much? 325. Okay, so what is the double of 325? It is 650. Okay, so here we have got 650, which is double of this 325. So our answer, that is, so the square root of 1,05,625 is 325. So this is the correct answer. Okay.
After solving 4 different examples, I hope you must have understood how to find square root of any number by using division method. If you have any doubts about this concept, please write it in the comments. If this video was useful to you, please like and share it with your friends. Thank you for watching.